Look at that block! It was always going to happen to someone. Why? Hi, I'm Adam C and welcome to my 350Z. Today I have the roof off because I'm an idiot. And this video is brought to you by carhuddle.com, the free online car show directory. Talking of car shows, I'm on my way to South Sitting's The Rise event. It's the second event of its type. You may remember the first time. Basically, free for all drifting. And I'm going to capture some of that drifting for you guys. I might put this on the track later. If I do, that'll be in a separate video. But for now, we're just going to have a look at the cars and have fun. So it's coming up to 1 o'clock. It goes on till 8:30, so it's going to be a long day, a long video. But I hope you enjoy it. Right, I have arrived a little bit early. So let's see who's here.
Step in.
Thank you.
To your left.
Right, I'm in. So I have parked up with the ability to watch the drifting while sitting in the car because I think it's going to rain. But now it's just a case of waiting for the cars to arrive and having a look at them drift everywhere. It's going to be fun. I'm looking forward to this. So, umbrella up and it's time to look at some skids. Why do I always wear these stupid shoes? So, I hope you all like E36s because it's pretty much all that's here at the moment. Oh. That one sounds pretty good. They're getting warmed up. We also have an abundance of MX-5s. Ah, he spun it. That was his first attempt. He hasn't been on yet. We'll give him. Now watch rear whip. So this is the current queue of cars waiting to drift, and it's literally E36 and MX-5. Oh, hello. He totally wanted to do that. Intentional. And next up we have E36 compacts versus E46 compacts with a quiet exhaust compared to the other. Let's watch the E36 do it. Loves it. It's so wet, like my nan at the bingo. So right now, this is my life. I am sat in a swamp watching BMWs play around a roundabout. He's going, he's going. Oh no. Oh, next up we've got a treat. We've got more E36s. Ah, 3 of them. Is that 4 cars? Okay. This guy's winning. Those two are not winning. We have some more MX-5s this time. We've got some Mark 2.5 examples. Oh dear, oh we stalled it. Oh, that's a Mark 2. That's a 0.5. Maybe the 0.5s are better for drifting. This guy's got it. He's got it. Oh, okay. Yeah, he's got it. Go on, Mark 2. Yeah. They must be built for this. Look at all that block! Oh yes! Just look at that block! When BMW made the 3 Series, I don't think they quite had this in mind. And here we have a standard E46 Estate understeering into infinity. Here he goes. Understeer, 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 oversteer! Understeer, 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 no, just, as he, understeer, understeer, oversteer, oversteer, oversteer. 350Z! Yay! Oh, this is bad! This is bad! I'm sinking in the quicksand. Ringnail's back! I think we're going to have to vacate the area because swamps. We're getting a. Oh, do we just watch drifting? Okay, I'm on the hard surface now. Oh, amateur mistake. I'm trapped. It's so wet. Well, this is the worst conditions we've ever had in this country. Why is my umbrella leaking? I'm trapped. Yes. Why does this leak? Oh dear. This is fine. Everything's fine. So I'm now sat in my car, which is rapidly steaming up. And I was hoping to watch some of the drifting, but you can see there's a slight issue with that. Right. Oh, another Z! Oh, friends! Let's try and see what... No, there's no point trying to watch the drifting. It's right over there. I'll probably catch up with you when it's a bit less rainy. Right, there's an S14 drifting. Time to get out of the car. is that noise that I can hear? It sounds pretty cool. These guys are pretty good. They're pretty good. They are tandeming. We've got a 4-car tandem doing a loop-de-loop. Shooting fire, it's smoking. Okay. Still now guys, I bet you've never seen anything so funky go sideways. Oh, stop. Whoa. Hello. Funky is going sideways. Funky is understeering. Funky's not living up to Funky's friend. Funky's friend is doing well. So they've got a new system going. When these guys have got their time up, with the old flashy of the lights. There we go. It's their time up. Or they're just dogging. It's the Volvo! Why is it so quiet? Well, probably because it's the Volvo. Oh no. Right, so I am now in a car. I'm going to have a passenger ride. I am in a E46 Estate. It's completely stock. There's no welded diff. There's no hydraulic handbrake. I'm just going to go around and see what it's like as a passenger. Oh, they've lit the bonfire. Ah. Right, now let's have a look at a fire. There's suddenly a massive fire and it's wet, it's so wet. A fire engine's arrived. He's been called because there's a slight fire in the area. Someone's called the fire brigade. Oh my god, fireworks. It's so warm, I can't. This one, yeah, but check out the suspension setup on this Volvo. Boing, boingy, 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 boingy. Oh no! It was always going to happen to someone. Why the Volvo? Why? Right, and that's as much as you're going to get. I'm going to go home because I'm wet and I'm cold and I'm miserable. It was a good afternoon, full afternoon, quite a few hours I've been here for. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Follow me on Instagram for updates of all these kind of events and some Instagram stuff. And yeah, don't forget to check out the link for the video of me drifting and slightly damaging my 350Z. So I hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching. Goodbye. I never say goodbye. Goodbye.